This is crazy. So if you have Google Workspace, you can actually get Google AI Ultra plan cheaper than what's displayed on the homepage. That's insane. You get the same amount of credits, and also you get access to Flow if you have Google's Workspace. Now, how much cheaper are we talking about? So let's check this out. How to access that cheaper rate. So if you have Google Workspace, you know that this is the admin panel. You need to go to your subscription. So once you go to the admin console, you go to subscription right here, and then you would add your subscription. Then you would go to Google AI Ultra. Then let's check out how cheaper the plan is, starting at $106. Now, the original plan for Google AI, it's like $125 for 3 months. Okay, that's interesting. So from here, you're getting it for a lot cheaper rate. So this is crazy, $106. So let's get started and see what happens. So we click on that. It's going to tell us what do you have access to. You press next. Then you check out the plan. So you look at the plan, and then you check out the flexible plan. So this is the flexible plan right here. No long-term commitment, pay each month based on the user that you have each month. You add or remove user as needed. And if you look at the pricing right here, that's crazy. So instead of paying $250 for the next 3 months, you're getting more. You're getting a little bit cheaper, $20, about $20 cheaper than the open plan. And afterward, you're still paying like $40 cheaper. Instead of paying $250 a month, you're paying $212 a month. So this is a lot cheaper. So we're gonna use this plan, check out, see what happens. We're gonna do that, apply, place the order, or you get access to it. So new project, so it works. So you get a new project, and now everything works. Okay, so let's test out if this works. I'm gonna place that prompt into Google VEO3. This prompt is I generated from ChatGPT. Now I generated 2, so that's going to use 40 credits. Okay, so while that is generating, you're able to see that I use 20 or 40 credits because it's fast. So you're able to see that I used 40 credits already. So this works. So you're saving, if you have a Google Workspace, you're saving like $40, well, after 3 months. So check it out. Make sure you're saving money. Every dollar counts nowadays. So let's wait for the animation to work. Okay, so this is what it created. All right. Here's another one. What's this squirrel doing? I like it. So wow. That was easy, and you're saving like so much money right now. So that's the video. Make sure to join the free newsletter down below. It's called AIpedia newsletter. Sign up right now. I will send you an issue soon once we reach a certain number of subscribers. That's going to be everything about AI news, AI content, AI tools, trending tools. Check it out right now. Join the newsletter. Don't miss out. I'm going to leave the link to it down below in the description. All right, so see you next time.